Have you ever been in a situation where you are with your partner and a beautiful road with lush green trees are welcoming you, and you are on a first road trip with your partner? I have enjoyed that a few days back. We went to a beautiful place for the holiday, and so here it comes. I will share all the details about this trip, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. Hi guys, welcome all of you. Today we are going to share a very special memory with you all. Let's begin with it. But before that, let's enjoy some views from our road trip. So, we were in a relationship for like almost 10 years, and we are married for 2 years, but we never had a road trip together, just the two of us.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक एवरीवन टू माय चैनल। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम रियली सॉरी कि मैं अभी तक कोई वीडियो डाल नहीं पाई थी। आई वाज सो बिजी इन माय शेड्यूल एंड एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग ऑन, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट। बट नाउ दैट आई एम बैक आई वांट टू टेक यू ऑल टू अ वेरी स्पेशल प्लेस। सो मी एंड माई हस्बैंड, हम दोनों अपने शेड्यूल्स में बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी थे, काम बहुत ज़्यादा था। सो वी नीडेड अ ब्रेक and that's why we decided to travel. Now there was COVID, so जो कि अभी भी चल रहा है, so हम ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ travel plan तो नहीं कर पाए, but फिर भी we are here at a very special place which is Bandhavgarh National Park. It is a tiger forest and now we are at a beautiful resort. So let's come with us, let's watch our journey, and we want to take you all through this 2 days trip. So let's begin with it.
So, first of all, I would like to share the room views with you all. We were at Lemon Tree Resort, and trust me, it's the best place to stay in Bandhavgarh because, first of all, it is in your budget, and the second thing is that you really feel rejuvenated here. So, look at this beautiful room and look at that tiger. Isn't that amazing? I really loved the space. Wait, I'll show you. Yes, I'm talking about the space near the window where you can just sit, relax, maybe read a book or do something. Also, the view is a jungle view, so it's always a very nice feeling sitting there. Apart from that, there are these closets and there is this open shower which obviously we didn't use because बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी. And then this is our washroom. And yeah, that's me. Hi. So this is our resort. This is Lemon Tree Resort, and you all must be knowing the Lemon Tree chain. This is a beautiful resort, and they are taking care about everything regarding COVID. So I feel this is a safe place to stay. So we were just roaming in the resort itself, and it is a big one, and you can find so many cottages there. There are some single room cottages, there are some double room cottages like that. And yes, that is our room, the right side one. And apart from that, the resort is really beautiful. And then we had our lunch after reaching there, and then we were just enjoying our lunch there. Okay, so I'll show you around a little bit. This is super green and super fresh, so I want you all to check this out. Okay, so this is the night view of this resort, and I really wanted to show you all that because you're in the middle of the jungle, and there is just you, your partner. There are these trees, these lights, and this walkway. It was so romantic and so beautiful, as you can see. And yeah, that's a small dance of mine. I know आप बोलेंगे कि जंगल में और अभी तक जंगल नहीं दिखाया, so let's go to the jungle. We are ready for our evening safari. So right now we are waiting at the Magadi gate, and now today we will have a safari at Magadi area.
right?
Yes.
So usually there is this huge queue of gypsies there, but thankfully because of the COVID and all, we didn't had to wait too much, and we were just there for a few minutes. Now enjoy the jungle. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I will upload a new video. So here we heard the alarm call from Sambar deer, and we were just waiting that if there is this tiger or not, and we waited for a while, but sadly we couldn't see the tiger. So yeah, after coming back today's safari, we just went to our cottage and relaxed a little bit after having the dinner, because yeah, it was a quite eventful day because of the safari, and we enjoyed it thoroughly. So yes, welcome to our cottage. As I told you, the right one is ours. And yeah, that's about it. I'm just opening and going inside to relax.
Hello and good morning, everyone. This is the day 3 at Bandhavgarh. It's 5:30 in the morning, and it's freezing cold outside. We are just layering ourselves, and we are getting ready for the morning safari at Tala Gate. And it's really exciting because we were really looking forward to this morning safari. So let's begin with it.
So this is 6 in the morning. Our gypsy is ready and we are all set to go to this morning safari. And this is how we looked, like monkeys. It was freezing cold outside, but it was worth. It was really that worth. People from Bandhavgarh says that jungle of Tala Gate is more beautiful than the other gates like Kitoli or Magadhi, and we felt the same also when I saw this jungle. One poem from my childhood came in my mind. सतपुड़ा के घने जंगल नींद में डूबे हुए से ऊँघते अनमने जंगल झाड़ ऊंचे और नीचे चुप खड़े हैं आँख मीचे ये घिनौने घने जंगल नींद में डूबे हुए से ऊँघते अनमने जंगल. Do let me know in the comments who all remember this poem. The highlight of Tala Gate is the spot called Sheshashaya, where you can find a big murti of Lord Vishnu in their Sheshashaya mudra, which is made of stone, and I'm showing you that just in a bit. So as you can see, the Vishnu Bhagwan is in his Sheshashaya mudra, and ये है हमारे गाइड राजू भैया जो हमें एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि वहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा आम का पेड़ हुआ करता था, जो वहाँ पर रखी ब्रह्मा जी की मूर्ति पर गिर गया और वो मूर्ति नष्ट हो गई. तो अब यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक शिवलिंग है और विष्णु जी की ये बड़ी सी मूर्ति है जिसे शेषशैया कहा जाता है, जहाँ उनके पास शेषनाग है और पैरों के पास लक्ष्मी जी बैठी हुई है, पर उस पेड़ के कारण उन लक्ष्मी जी की मूर्ति का भी थोड़ा सा नुकसान हो गया है. दिस इज़ अ हेरिटेज ऑफ आर country, of our tradition, I will say. ये एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल जगह थी और यहाँ की सारी हिस्ट्री राजू भैया से सुनकर हमें बहुत ही मज़ा आया. ये हज़ारों साल पुरानी मूर्ति एक अलग ही इतिहास की गवाह है. साथ ही ये जो पानी यहाँ पर आपको दिखेगा वो पानी ऊपर से पहाड़ों से आ रहा है और इसी पानी के कारण पूरे बांधवगढ़ के सारे जानवरों को पानी मिलता है पीने के लिए. दिस इज़ द नेचुरल रिसोर्स ऑफ वाटर. राइट नाउ दिस वाटर इज़ नॉट दैट क्लीन, but the water that goes into the jungle is the clean water that is coming from these mountains, and उसी से बांधवगढ़ के सारे जानवर अपनी प्यास बुझाते हैं. Isn't that amazing?
क्या बोलते हैं?
Thank you so much Raju Bhaiya for the valuable information. Look at this Sheshashaya Murti.
विष्णु भगवान यहाँ
This
पर
was
लेटे हुए हैं।
definitely our highlight
बांधवगढ़ की
of
बहुत ही
Bandhavgarh
खूबसूरत
trip.
जगह है।
We will never
जिसे
ever
शेषशैया
forget
कहा
this.
जाता है। ये है विष्णु जी, ये है भगवान शंकर, और वो जो पेड़ की जड़ें दिख रही हैं वहाँ पर पहले ब्रह्मा जी थे। तो ब्रह्मा, विष्णु और महेश ऐसे तीनों की मूर्तियाँ यहाँ पर बनाई गई थी, और ये बहुत पुरानी है। ये एक पत्थर को काट कर बनाई गई हुई मूर्तियाँ। Isn't that a miracle? Beauty, right?
The jungle of Bandhavgarh is really mesmerizing. We highly recommend you to visit here at least once in your life. So today again we stopped here and waited for a while because we heard an alarm call, and again it was hard luck for us because we couldn't see the tiger. But the jungle view is amazing, and if you keep that thing in mind that you want to see the tiger and you go to the jungle, you'll definitely not be able to enjoy. So always keep in mind that you're here for the jungle and not for the tiger. Only then you'll be able to enjoy this jungle to the fullest.
Hey everyone, so we are back from our morning safari and this is the end of our tour. Now we are going back to Jabalpur, our hometown. So it was the amazing trip. We had the best time in these 2 days, and हाँ, we were not that lucky कि हमें शेर खान के दर्शन हो पाते. We couldn't meet the tiger here. I know many people will feel कि अरे टाइगर रिजर्व है एंड आप टाइगर्स नहीं देख पाए. So basically that was not our main motive. We were there just to enjoy the nature, fresh air, a fragrance of fresh soil, and lemongrass and all that. We just loved that experience. Now coming to the price point of view, so we have booked everything online. We have booked our safaris from MP government's website, MP Tourism's website, and it cost us like 1500 rupees per ride when we booked the tickets online. बट यहाँ आने के बाद आपको जिप्सी एंड गाइड के लिए अलग से पे करना पड़ता है. सो वी बुक 2 राइड्स, सो 3000 हमने तब पे किए थे फॉर 2 राइड्स, और यहाँ आने के बाद हमने 3000 फॉर ईच राइड 3000 रुपीज़ हमने पे किए. सो टोटल मिला के हमारा राइड्स का जो था दैट वाज 9000 फॉर 2 राइड्स. एंड हमारा लेमन ट्री रिसॉर्ट भी हमने ऑनलाइन ही बुक किया था. एंड यहाँ आने के बाद हमने वट एवर आर फूड बिल एंड द पैकेज वॉज, द टोटल कॉस्ट वॉज approximately 22,000 for 2 days and 2 nights, we can say that 3 days 2 nights. So we feel ki that is worth spending that much of money for this kind of trip. It was an amazing trip and we had the best time. So make sure that you like this video, comment on this video, and if you want to visit Bandhavgarh, then Lemon Tree is a really good option to stay, and do book your rides online before you come here. And we will meet in next video. Until then, bye.
Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such valuable videos. You will find some great career related videos here, some family vlogs, some travel vlogs, and so many moments from my life. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon.